Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix SteamTools no internet connection error. So if you're getting this no internet connection while downloading the game, then here follow the fixes very carefully. First fix is to clear download cache. So open Steam, click on this word Steam and then click on settings. Now go to the downloads tab, click on downloads, scroll down and here you will see clear download cache. Click on clear cache and then click on confirm to confirm it. This will close your Steam and then it will restart Steam, and then you might have to log into your Steam and then you can download the game and check if your problem has been solved or not. If not, then fix to is to reset internet connection. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to confirm. Now in the command prompt you have to type this code one by one. So copy this code and then paste it over here and then hit on enter. You can copy and paste this code from my video description. Paste it over here, then hit enter. Copy the third code, paste it over here, hit enter, and then copy the last code, paste it over here and then hit enter. Now you will see you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So type exit exit and then hit enter to close the command prompt, and then you have to restart your PC. It is must. So simply restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, download the game and check if a problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve SteamTools no internet connection error while downloading the games. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.